I don't know how and why it is sparking, but I will soon fix it, hopefully, if my dad will let me take it down to the shop, which is in Promise City, which his friend owns because he bought. See if we got any 10-inch. Okay, we don't want CD, we just want cool, we got 10-inch. There's his radio. Kind of loud, but I have to have it loud because the exhaust is broke on this thing. We've got a CB radio. And if anybody's interested, this thing is for sale, but I must tell you now, it is only two-wheel drive. We are asking $500 because we had all the brake lines replaced and stuff like that. It wants to move. I don't know if it'll move for us. No, it's stuck on a tire. But yeah, I wanted to almost die on me. Okay, we'll go out and look at the engine now. Hopefully, my battery lasts long enough to do it. There she is. I don't know if you can hear me or not because this thing is loud. Got a bit of an oil leak, but nothing to be worried about. That'd be a good little truck for you starters. That's about it. Okay, see ya. We'll be posting on YouTube hopefully today. Bye.